Hi, it's Steve from BR Special Tuning. Welcome to another one of our YouTube channels. Today we're going to fit the Puig hugger to our R Nine T project bike. Just want to show you how to fit it and what tools you'll need. So first of all, you'll need a TS45 torque screw and a 17mm nut to take the pinch bolt away from the link bar. You'll need a TS45 torque screw to take and do the caliper nut. When you take the Puig hugger out of the box, this stepped bush will be separate. It'll be in the bag. All you simply do is push it in with your fingers, insert there, and that reduces the diameter of the bolt to go from OE to Puig's bolt. So with no further ado, I'm going to get my helper James to give me a hand just to fit this, and then you can see how easy it is to fit. So I've asked James to kindly help me today. So all he's going to do is lever the bike on the stand just to take a bit of pressure off this suspension here. We find out this is the easy way to do it, but you might find other ways. So James, if you just take the weight off the bike, please. That's it, lovely, lovely. I've pre-loosened these anyway, so you can see how easy it is to do. And then we just simply slide the hugger over there. The bottom bar goes under the brake line there. That's it. And then James, if you want to just keep pushing that, yeah, and get the big bolt through there. Got it. Goes through there. And then the smaller cap head with the spacer washer goes onto the caliper. Nice. And that's it. And all we do then is to put a nut on the other side, which is a 9-lock nut with a 17mm spanner, tighten it up, and then obviously with the Allen bolt just tighten this up as well. And you can see how lovely it looks. So that hugger fitted pretty easy. So I just want to show you some points of interest just to be aware of. So when fitting it, make sure the stay goes on the wheel side of the brake hose. There's a little ABS wire there, make sure that doesn't get trapped. And then there's a spacer here that's supplied by Puig. That's the spacer in between the stay and the caliper. So once you've got all those done, tighten it up, and I think I'll agree it makes a good addition to the bike. Thanks very much for watching.